Did you know that consuming eggs daily can significantly impact your health? Eggs have been both praised and criticized for their nutritional value. So, is eating 2 eggs a day beneficial or harmful? Let's delve into the egg dilemma and challenge what we think we know. Stay tuned to find out. For the next 2 weeks, I'll embark on a simple yet intriguing experiment: eating 2 eggs every day. What changes will unfold? Will it be energy boosts, better focus, or unexpected health benefits? Eggs have long been a dietary staple worldwide, yet they come with controversy, particularly about cholesterol and heart health. Through this journey, I aim to explore the benefits of regular egg consumption and debunk common myths. Eggs are rich in nutrients, providing essential vitamins and minerals our bodies crave. But are they truly a superfood or just another dietary fad? Stay tuned as I document my experience, tracking changes in energy levels, weight, and overall health. This is more than just a personal challenge. It's a quest for clarity in the world of nutrition. So let's crack open the truth about eggs and see what lies inside. Next, we'll tackle common misconceptions surrounding egg consumption. Many of us have grown up hearing that eggs are bad for our health, particularly regarding cholesterol. But is this really true, or are we buying into a myth? Let's dive into some common misconceptions about eggs and uncover the truth behind these beliefs. First, there's the widespread notion that eggs significantly increase cholesterol levels and harm our health. This idea has been echoed in countless conversations around breakfast tables and health forums alike. However, recent studies suggest otherwise. For most people, the cholesterol in eggs doesn't translate into increased blood cholesterol levels. Eggs are often unfairly labeled as unhealthy, but they are actually a powerhouse of nutrients. They are rich in high-quality protein, vitamins, and essential minerals, contributing positively to a balanced diet. Another misconception is that consuming eggs daily could lead to heart disease. However, research shows that moderate egg consumption does not increase the risk of heart disease in healthy individuals. Instead, eggs can be part of a healthy diet, providing essential nutrients that support overall well-being. It's crucial to understand that while dietary cholesterol has a minimal impact on blood cholesterol levels for most people, the saturated and trans fats we consume have a much greater effect. Eggs, when eaten in moderation and as part of a varied diet, don't pose the risk many fear. Understanding these facts is important as we continue our health experiment, exploring the impacts of eating 2 eggs daily for 2 weeks. By debunking these myths, we pave the way for a more informed discussion on nutrition and health. As we move forward with this experiment, let's challenge these preconceived notions and see what changes occur when we integrate eggs into our daily diet. Will they offer the nutritional benefits touted by some experts, or will they confirm the concerns held by others? Join us in this journey as we separate fact from fiction and discover the real impact of eggs on our health. Up next, we'll delve into my personal experience during this egg-focused experiment and explore the tangible effects it has had on my energy levels and overall well-being. Stay tuned for insights that might just change your perspective on one of our most common dietary staples. Over the past 2 weeks, I embarked on a personal health experiment to challenge my beliefs and shed light on the truths about egg consumption. As I began eating 2 eggs every day, I was both curious and skeptical. Would this simple dietary change impact my health, or were eggs just another food item lost in the sea of nutritional myths? Initially, I felt a surge of energy. It was subtle at first, a slight pep in my step during my morning routine. But as the days went by, this newfound vitality became more pronounced. I found myself waking up refreshed and ready to tackle the day ahead. Stark contrast to my previous sluggish mornings. Weight is often a concern when altering one's diet, and I was no exception. Monitoring my weight daily, I was pleasantly surprised to find it remained stable. In fact, there was a slight decrease, nothing drastic, but enough to raise an eyebrow. Could the eggs have contributed to this change? It prompted me to dig deeper into the nutritional aspects of this humble food. Eggs are often hailed as nature's multivitamin, packed with essential nutrients like vitamin D, B12, and selenium. These nutrients play a crucial role in energy production and maintaining metabolic health. But what really caught my attention was choline. a nutrient that supports brain health and is often underconsumed in modern diets. With each egg providing a good dose of choline, I started to appreciate why eggs are considered a superfood. However, what about cholesterol? This has been a long-standing debate, with eggs often cast in a negative light. Yet, through my research and personal experience, I discovered that dietary cholesterol from eggs doesn't necessarily translate to increased blood cholesterol levels for most people. This revelation was empowering, breaking down the walls of misconception that had been built over years. As the experiment progressed, I noticed other subtle changes. My skin seemed clearer, and I felt less prone to those afternoon slumps that once demanded a caffeine fix. It was as if my body was thanking me for this nutrient-dense addition to my diet. Reflecting on these 2 weeks, it becomes clear why eggs have earned their reputation as a nutritional powerhouse. Their benefits extend beyond just protein content. They offer a complex interplay of nutrients that support overall health and vitality. This journey has not only been about eggs, but also about understanding how small changes can lead to significant improvements in well-being. The results of this personal experiment have been enlightening, and I look forward to sharing more insights in the next segment, where I'll reveal the most surprising outcomes of this journey. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the benefits that can come from this simple yet powerful dietary change. As the final day of my 2-week egg experiment approached, I was both eager and anxious. Would there be any notable changes, or had this journey been just another dietary fad? The results were surprising. Initially, I embarked on this journey to explore and debunk the myths surrounding egg consumption, particularly the concerns about cholesterol. For years, eggs had been painted as health villains, but my experience was about to challenge that narrative. After just 2 weeks of consuming 2 eggs a day, the positive changes were undeniable. My energy levels were consistently high, even on the busiest days. I found myself more focused and alert, able to tackle daily tasks with newfound vigor. One of the most unexpected outcomes was the impact on my weight. I had anticipated maintaining or even gaining weight due to increased caloric intake. However, the opposite happened. My weight remained stable, and I felt leaner, suggesting that eggs might play a role in supporting a healthy metabolism. From a nutritional standpoint, eggs are nothing short of a powerhouse. Packed with essential vitamins like B12 and D, they provide a solid foundation for any balanced diet. Plus, the high-quality protein in eggs aids in muscle repair and growth, crucial for anyone with an active lifestyle. The most significant revelation was how my cholesterol levels were affected. Contrary to popular belief, my blood tests showed no spike in cholesterol. In fact, my HDL, the good cholesterol, had slightly improved. This personal evidence reinforced that the cholesterol in eggs does not translate directly into higher blood cholesterol levels. Overall, this experiment not only dispelled common misconceptions, but also highlighted how incorporating eggs into my diet could lead to impressive health benefits. The results were clear. Eggs are indeed a healthy choice when consumed as part of a balanced diet. As I conclude this segment of my personal health journey, I invite you to reflect on your own dietary choices and consider the potential benefits of eggs in your life. Stay tuned for the final segment, where I'll share the key takeaways and insights from this enlightening experience. As we reach the end of this journey, let's reflect on what we've discovered. Incorporating eggs into your daily diet isn't just a simple change. It can lead to impressive health benefits. Throughout this experiment, I found that eating 2 eggs a day provided me with unexpected energy boosts and even helped in managing my weight. The nutrients in eggs, from high-quality protein to essential vitamins, are undeniable contributors to a healthier lifestyle. We've debunked myths surrounding cholesterol concerns and highlighted the superfood status of eggs. Remember, it's not just about consuming them, but understanding the powerful impact they have on our overall well-being. So if you're considering adding eggs to your daily routine, know that you're making a choice backed by both personal experience and nutritional science. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening exploration. Stay tuned for more insights as we continue to unravel the mysteries of everyday foods. Next up, join us as we dive into another exciting health topic: Share your egg stories in the comments below. We'd love to hear how eggs have impacted your health journey. Don't forget to subscribe and join us in our next video, where we explore more exciting health tips and dietary insights. Let's continue this egg-citing conversation together.